Hey everybody, Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Happy Hump Day. Hope you're having a great midweek. So now that the Bitcoin halving is officially behind us, we're going to run you through our 5 favorite altcoins, those projects that we have our eyes on for the months of May and June and beyond. Of course, you can probably guess what a couple of these are already. Nevertheless, we'll give you our list, again, our top 5 altcoins. But before all that happens, we're going to take a look at 3 main reasons why we will see an altcoin season, specifically now that the Bitcoin halving is done. The dust has kind of now settled. We're sitting just over 9K. Bitcoin is at $9,019. But again, with the Bitcoin halving behind us, here are the reasons that we're excited about altcoins. Starting with reason number 1, speculators and weak hands will leave Bitcoin. I've been saying this in different ways for months now. The Bitcoin halving is one of the most bullish events for the entire crypto space, as the production supply of the most popular project and around 65% of the market holders reduces by half. However, Bitcoin price rising slowly with decreasing volume is a bearish trend. So we don't think it's unexpected that Bitcoin will go a little bit lower before it goes up, because a lot of people bought Bitcoin for the halving without realizing that this event is most meaningful for long-term holders, as the effect of deciding supply can only be felt over a certain period of time, and its effects on the Bitcoin economy are not going to be felt immediately. Like I said, guys, a lot of people tend to buy the rumor and sell the news. That's just the nature of the game. There's a lot of speculation in this space. Okay, reason number 2 why we are excited for the upcoming altcoin season: trading and leverage trading. The easiest way to lose your Bitcoin is by trading it, and with very little uncertainty in where the price is headed, people leverage trading Bitcoin are literally gambling it away. Manipulators, of course, take full advantage of this dipping Bitcoin to fail the longs, or vice versa, to accumulate as much Bitcoin as they can at low levels. This is the situation, and this is the market we are in. So it's best we understand how it works and be careful not to keep losing our Bitcoin. Altcoin reason number 3 why we're excited about the upcoming altcoin season. Well, quite simply, there's a lot of altcoin news. With the halving approaching and now past us, a lot of altcoins should have been delaying their news and announcements, and we should see a lot of them with big updates this month and next month and throughout the summer. And as the hype around the halving will reduce, I think many coins will start giving news and updates on their projects to be able to get more awareness spread about them. In other words, their marketing efforts are going to ramp up to 11. Those are our 3 reasons, guys, why we are excited about the upcoming alt season. If you have other reasons, let us know what they are in the comments below and share your thoughts on these variables that we have listed. But now on to our 5 favorite altcoins. We're starting at number 1 with Ren Protocol token. So seeing as Oracle providers must execute code in a trustless manner, there's often a degree of centralization required to ensure external data points are valid. And as a result, many decentralized systems suffer from delays in throughput or increased transaction costs in order to validate and verify external data before pushing it to the contract requesting information. Ren Protocol specifically looks to bridge the gap between decentralized applications and real-world data by ensuring that data is both valid and trustworthy through economic incentives. In comparison to an Oracle project like Chainlink, Ren's functional product provides strong foundation for us to make logical assumptions about the token's future. And as it currently stands, the Link token economy is theoretical, meaning that we've chosen to forego covering their interpretation of a decentralized Oracle economy, at least until something tangible in terms of utility is actually live. We think that's only fair. Band, however, BAND, provides liquidity to data governance groups by serving as a primary value capturing mechanism in a few different ways. First and foremost, Band is used as collateral to issue dataset tokens, and as such, Band token value is directly correlated to the value of the protocol's datasets. As with many other strong token economies, Band will be used to govern future protocol upgrades. So in short, community members must acquire Band to signal their opinion on changes to the protocol as a whole. Next up, Band is also used to control dataset quality through a curated dataset registry, similar to how an address can be whitelisted on a given dataset. Band protocol maintains an active list of all verified datasets. In order for a dataset to join the registry, they must stake BAND as a proxy. And lastly, BAND Protocol has mentioned that they will eventually migrate to BAND Chain, in which BAND will be used as a staking mechanism to secure the network via a delegated proof of stake, a DPoS consensus mechanism. Similarly, BAND will be used as the underlying currency for all the transactions that happen on the network. And like we just stated, not only do we feel that BAND has proven and tangible utility at the moment, but they also have partnerships for their solution with some other top companies in the space. You can check out more information about that here on this medium.com article. The second altcoin for us, and another project that is beating the market by a wide margin today, is Chiliz CHZ. Under the helm and the leadership of Alexander Dreyfus, of course, Chiliz is really looking to shake up the world of sports and fandom, starting with European football leagues. But as we've just recently seen, that has now extended to the world of North American sports, combat sports, specifically the USC. We covered that just the other day. And as much as CHZ has risen as of late, we expect that to be even more pronounced very soon. Most likely it's going to happen once some of the big sports restrictions open up. Of course, and as you can imagine, there's a lot of legal considerations behind the scenes. You got to have clearances and authorizations and proper arrangements, and it's a daunting prospect, no doubt, but I think the payoff is certainly there. And again, under the leadership of Alexander Dreyfus, I think they're moving in the right direction. This is one that we feel has a big future, and it's an underdog. Like I described the other day, actually, it's an underdog that's starting to fill out in size and become more and more powerful. If you guys haven't already done so, check out our coverage of Chili's partnership with the UFC. Check out as well the Chiliz Exchange, where you can trade sports tokens against CHZ specifically. Next up on our list is CRO, the Crypto.com coin. We talk about Crypto.com all the time, mostly for their great offers that they put out there into the world of cryptocurrency. On this one, our advice, never financial advice, of course, perhaps our recommendation is to wait for the dip for this particular project. A lot of people bought CRO to participate in Bitcoin's 50% off halving special, talking just now about discounts. Not all their CRO will be accepted, and people will sell off their returned CRO. So once the sell-off happens, CRO should be very good to get into. Again, not financial advice, obviously. Staking CRO on Crypto.com exchange gives people discounts on fees and also 20% interest per year. And it should be noted as well that they just crossed 2 million users recently. Guys, we talk a lot about Crypto.com, and for good reason. They're doing good work. They're very much helping with the mass adoption variable, which is one that we talk about all the time, perhaps as being the most important. So again, we would suggest wait for the dip on CRO, but keep an eye on it. They have a very bright future as well. Rounding out the rest of the list here, perhaps a little bit more quickly, we have Ren Protocol. Of course, they have big news when it comes to the mainnet, which is very exciting. Masternode holders will need 100,000 REN to be locked in. Check out the information here about April's development update. We'll link to this in the description below. We also have a lot of previous coverage, this from the 7th of March, so a couple of months ago, but still relevant, talking about the Ren Protocol Sub-Zero mainnet, which is set to launch imminently. And our fifth and final altcoin on this list is Quant, ticker QNT. And they're exciting for a number of different reasons. We've covered them in the past, of course. This from just over a month ago, about 6 weeks ago, I suppose. Quant Network and blockchain interoperability, which according to many is very much the holy grail of this space. Quant Network is exciting for a few different reasons. We are expecting to get some news related to technology testing. Hopefully that'll come by about June or so. We're not holding our breath, but we expect something rather soon. You guys got to check out this piece as well. Again, from a little over a month ago, the 4th of April, Quant Overview, the connectivity backbone for blockchains. Again, one of the most important variables in this space, and Quant is on the case. Well, there you have it, guys. Those are our top 5 altcoin picks for May and June, and the kind of short-term or intermediate future. We feel that now that the Bitcoin halving is behind us, you're going to see the altcoin space open up in a very handsome way. Let us know what you think about our selections. Let us know below if you have selections of your own. Give us your top 5 list and let us know how it differs from yours. We'd love to take a look at your recommendations as well. But that about wraps it up for today, everybody. Do be sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels. channels, and keep checking back into altcoinbuzz.io for all the latest. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell, of course, to receive notifications if you've enjoyed today's video. Happy hump day, guys. Happy midweek. Happy Wednesday. Hope you have a great one. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.